Well, hello, it's time for this week's Dollar Tree haul, and I got some cute things, and I thought we'd start since we have a week away from Easter. How cute are these little fabric bags? I know that sometimes the kids are a little older, but we still want to give them something, maybe a little gift card, put some little Easter eggs and jelly beans in here, and I think there's a 4-pack, so these are really cute. They're hanging with the items that are on like little pegboards, at least that's where they are in my store, so you might want to pick these up for some of the older kids. I got these because I was in the store and me and this other lady were trying to check these out to see what they were. They're brush pens. I don't know if you can see them. I'm going to open them right now because I'm curious. I can't tell if it's an actual paintbrush that colors or what it does, but I thought it was really cool. So let's open it up and just see what they actually are. So it's actually like a marker, but it's got like a, wow, it's weird. Wow, it's like a, it is like, it's not like a, it's not a marker, it's a brush, but it's, I don't know, they're really kind of cool. Look, it's a brush tip, but it colors, and it colors really smooth. So they come in 4 colors. I thought they were kind of cool. So they might be perfect like for those coloring books that I got last week, because if you want some vibrant colors. So these are kind of neat. I don't know how long they'll last or anything. You don't click them or anything, so it's kind of like a marker and it's kind of like a paintbrush. So they're kind of cool in case you want to pick those up. I got 2 of these. You guys are probably thinking, this girl's crazy. I got 2 of these because I've been wanting to do something for a very long time. These are just the tablecloths, not tablecloths, but placemats. I got one in this color and one in gray, and in the next few weeks, I'm going to be sharing a project that I'm working on. It is going to take me some time, but it might be something you guys want to do too, and you'll have to wait for that one because I do have surgery coming up, and I got great news that I don't have to have a full mastectomy. I'm going to have a lumpectomy, and then I'll start radiation. So I'm halfway through my journey, and I'm really super happy that my surgery is not going to be as invasive as some have to go through. So be patient with me, but projects are going to be coming up, and if I can finish this one in the next 2 weeks, I'll share it with you before I'm not able to do a whole lot because I got a little downtime. So pick these up if you see them, but it's kind of hard for you to decide what color, but try black, gray, or red, and you might want to do what I'm doing. I did get lucky, and I found 2 of the Petit Perfect Manicure sets. One of my Dollar Trees had a huge display of them. I must have been there when they just stocked it because it was a full end cap. They didn't seem like they were running out of them too quickly, and I was fortunate to get the replacement pads too. Now I do know that they sell these. I've seen on the post that they're selling at Walgreens and maybe Walmart for $12.99 or $12, something like that. So it's worth giving it a try for $1, and maybe I'll do a review to see if it's worth it if you can't find them there. If somebody did want to buy them for the $12, let's see if they're worth it, and we can decide from there. And then I got, because again, these are coming out for they have like spring, and then they have them in the fall, and I love the lavender. Love. These smell great. So I got one of those. I got some seashells because I actually want to try. I got the biggest ones I could because I want to see if we can make some jewelry out of these. So if I'm able to do what I want to do, I will most certainly do a video and show you. But I got the bigger ones because I wanted to do like a necklace, like a pendant with it. So if I'm able to do that, I will post my idea and share it with all of you. I got these cute little owls. I was able to get 3 of them. And you guys always know I buy stuff for my son's girlfriend too. So these are the hand washes. Everybody's crazy about the little owls. So I got a purple, a pink, and a blue. And guess where I found them? In the front of the store on those little kiosks, and it was on the bottom shelf. So if you're looking for them, now's the time, because I know that the lip glosses and stuff are like in the fall, and now that's spring and they're coming back with them, but they do sell out really quickly. And this is the hand soap. So I got one for my kitchen, one for my bathroom, and one for my son's girlfriend. So I got 3. Then I got things to start spring. And believe it or not, the ones from Dollar Tree do bloom. So it's still really cold in Chicago, but I am going to get these started. As soon as I can get them in the ground, I think I'm going to put these in because they did bloom. And I did buy this year. I tried it a few years ago. I was really, really lucky, and I bought their seeds. So I got these pickled cucumbers, or these are those small little cucumbers. I like these. I got the sunflowers, and wouldn't you know it, last summer I had one grow really tall, and I was so excited because it was getting ready to bloom, and the rabbits ate it. I came out the next day, the whole thing was gone. So I was really surprised, but I want to try again this year. Maybe I'll have some luck. And I got this tray so that I can start them. And I'll tell you how I do them. Maybe I'll do a quick video and show you exactly what I do. But I got the trays because there's 2 in here, so that gives me 16 little plants that I can do. And I got the little shovel. And of course, they have the bag of potting soil. So this is more than enough for me to start my seeds. And then what I got was more seeds here. But I'm going to try this year. I got squash because that is really good. I got lettuce, but did you know if you use the romaine lettuce, I tried this last year too, and you cut the ends off and you plant them upside in the dirt, they will grow. You can just clip off your own lettuce whenever you want. So that's fun. I wanted to do flowers this year. So I got these little California poppy. I thought these were kind of cute. I got these, which are the, what are these? The aster. And I got Sweet William. I never tried some of these, so I'm trying them this year. And then I thought these were kind of cool just to try them. So I'm going to put some of them in the little trays. But my last thing that I got this week are these cute little planters. I've seen these in the groups, and I've wanted to get these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant my herbs in there, and I'm going to keep it by my barbecue grill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them with the potting soil, and I'm going to put my oregano and my basil and my parsley in these. And then what I do is I cover them with I put my seeds in, and then I put my little markers. I think I showed you about 2 weeks ago in my Dollar Tree haul, the little white markers that you write on. It's not a marker, but it's white, and you write on like with black Sharpie so you know which herb it is. And then I'm going to cover them with saran wrap after I water them, and I'm going to put them in my window with sun. And then as soon as they start to sprout and it gets warmer, I'll put them outside. But if you're going to do this, you want to put some rock in the bottom first. So go to like your closest, not farmer's market, but like garden center, and they sell like the little pea gravel, and it's like $2 a bag, and you get this huge bag. So you want to put that in here for drainage, and if you want to, you can put a few holes in here because you don't want it to start to get oversaturated as it rains or whatever. You want it to be able to drain. So put your little pebbles and your rocks in the bottom first, then add your dirt, then do your little seeds, add a little bit of water, and then cover it and don't touch it. Just leave it in the window because that moisture is what's going to get your little herbs and things to start. My neighbor was really shocked when I showed her my little plants. They were like this tall by the time I was ready to plant them in May. So she was shocked at how big they got. So I got 2 of these, and that's what I'm going to do. This one here, I think I'm going to try one of these little flowers, and I'm going to do the same thing. I just want to get a whole little thing full of them. So like this little poppy would be cute, and I would do the same thing. Poke 2 holes in the bottom for the drainage, add your rocks. Always add rocks or something between your dirt and your actual flower so that it has some drainage and it doesn't get so wet and soaking. And then put your flowers on top and add the saran wrap. You want to do the same thing when you do these. So if you do these, I actually got the ones that you can put straight in the ground so you don't have to pull them out of here. You can just put them in the ground and they dissolve. So I got some of those, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the exact same thing. Oh, this one is actually 3, 6, 9. So there's 24 here. So yeah, 6 and 6 times 2 is 24. So there's 24 little plants here. And you do the same thing. You put your soil in. Then you cover it with saran wrap after you water and put your seeds in there, and then just leave it alone, and you'll notice them starting to sprout. Once they start to hit your saran wrap, you take them off, and then you can just put little drops or even spray them with water. I don't saturate anything, and I just keep them in the window until it's warm enough to bring them outside. So I can do a quick video on how I do mine just so that you get an idea and you can see exactly what I'm doing. And then I can show you down the road how well they grew with the Dollar Tree seeds. So that's what I got this week. I don't have any little ones around to do any Easter baskets or anything. I always get stuff for my son and his girlfriend. But this year, because of me being sick and stuff. I didn't do a whole lot, but you never know. I still have a week to go. But that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. Thank you again to all of you that comment and support and have sent me cards and gifts, and you have no idea how much that has helped me through this journey. I know that some of you may get tired of hearing me talk about it, but I'll tell you what, when you guys message me or write in the comments that you went for your mammogram and you're healthy and you're well, then I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, and that is to keep you well, because you're helping me get well. So until I see all of you again, have a great week, get shopping for Easter, and I will see all of you really, really soon. Bye now.